Good evening, my friends. So, welcome back for another video. Tonight, I'm gonna fix my MacBook Air M1 because we have MacBook Air has error on the hard disk, so we need to revive. And before overdue, so let's start it. First, I'm gonna show you what is the problem. I show you what's the problem. So I want to try to erase this one. Okay, try to erase it, but there is error. So you see the red condition, and we need to fix it, otherwise we can't do anything. I can't reinstall it. So we have tried to many times, it doesn't work. So what we have to do, and we're gonna revive it. Right? So first thing first, so I have another MacBook, same one is MacBook Air M1. So we need to have like over 65% charge. And what we need, first we need the MacBook which is not have error, but I have the broken screen here, doesn't matter. So we need the Apple configuration, Apple for configurator 2 right now, right? And another one, we need USB-C. Okay, USB-C cable from the charger, from the MacBook. And first we put it on the first, that USB-C here, another one here, the put is on the first one. Okay, and then another one put in here also, number one and number one. Okay, so it's in contact, you see. So and from here we allow it, just allow. Then this, the Mac is locked. So now is we gonna put it off, keep it off by pushing for the 10 seconds off. Okay, we wait for 5 minutes something, or 30 seconds at least. All right, and what next, what we have to do now is to put this one, the broken one, to DFU mode. So we push option command, then then we push option command. It took me a long time to access DFU mode to this computer. Okay, now it's time to recovery, and I gonna do the erase all content and setting and restore MacBook Air. Downloading system. Erase everything, or it maybe erase all content and setting, erase. Okay, all content and setting on MacBook Air. So it means I gonna do everything, restore from beginning. Wait, it take like 30 minutes. I'm gonna keep the computer on. So you can see both of them is on time. So I do need to take off. So maybe I need to I need charging this computer because I have only 50%, so I'm gonna keep while charging. Okay, we wait. So is no cut, right? So you can see how this work. Oh, it does work. Okay. Yeah, started. Whoa, wonderful. So let's see. Okay. And I have Macbook Pro 2004. Okay, it's ready. So it's working. And okay, so I need to turn it off because unable to cancel. That's right. Quick. Enable. Right. So it's work. The brand now. Yes. Okay, that's it today, and everything already worked. So this is the quick video today. See you next time for another video. Thank you. So we already revive it. So is many corruption has been done to this computer. So unable to delete the container, unable to delete the main device hard disk. So it's mean like when you use list utility, and when you want to delete and mention unable to delete the unknown like error something, is because kernel 0 is using the program, so we are unable to delete. So that's the problem done by solving by using restore. So I restore this one like 3 times and finally done after 3 hours. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.